In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default currency in GoDaddy. Whether you're updating your personal account preferences or selling through a GoDaddy Websites Plus marketing store, I'll walk you through the exact places to change your currency and what to expect after you do. First, let's cover the account level change using your profile settings. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy My Profile page. Once you're in, look for the small pencil or edit icon next to your profile information. That's where you can make adjustments to your preferences. In that panel, find the currency setting, open the list and choose the currency you want to use by default. When you've made your choice, click Save to lock it in. This updates your account's default currency, which influences how prices and transactions are shown to you going forward. Quick note before we continue, since GoDaddy is a website-based platform, I've placed the official link to GoDaddy at the very top of the description, so you can get to the correct sign-in and product pages quickly and safely. Now, if you're a seller using a GoDaddy Websites Plus marketing store, you'll want to set the currency specifically for your storefront as well. Head to your GoDaddy product page, find your store, and select Manage next to it. From there, expand Settings and choose Store Settings. Inside those store settings, you'll see a currency field. Update it to the currency you want your customers to see in your storefront and save your changes. This ensures the prices in your online store display in the currency you prefer. A couple of important notes when you're making these changes. First, existing subscriptions typically continue renewing in the currency they were originally set up with. In other words, the change you're making generally affects future transactions, not those already scheduled. If you need to adjust the currency of an existing subscription, you may need to manage that renewal specifically. Second, some currencies are tied to your registered country or region. If you don't see the currency you want, it may be restricted based on where your account is registered. That's all there is to it. Use your My Profile page to change your personal default currency, and use your store settings to control how prices appear to your shoppers. Take a moment to double check everything's saved correctly, and you'll be good to go. If this helped, don't forget to use the link at the top of the description to access GoDaddy directly. And thanks for watching.